So the reason why the engine gets contaminated and the deposits inside the engine is old synthetic oils, carbon deposits, and swarf from machining in all remanufacturing processes. This needs to be done to keep the oil galleries and the water runways clear. This is very important for the future performance of the engine.
The Torrent 80 is a water-based unit up to 240 litre tank capacity. It combines modern chemistry and latest ultrasonic technology. It's great for cleaning complex parts, fine cleaning of soils down to 1 micron. There are lots of chemistry options for this machine, which include aviation approved Super B. The machine is fitted with a countdown timer, a low level indicator, an inbuilt basket and a temperature control panel.